Just to start off with my review here, I want to show you guys the quality of this thing. It looks amazing. I'm so happy with it. It looks nicely done. You know, all the welding, everything looks great. Everything is all stainless steel. The tips, they don't look that professional, but these are little things that could be changed. And depending on how it works, I could probably change it to a more professional one. So that's no big deal. The other thing that I like about it is this detail here on the handle. You know, you can use this to lock it up while you're working and unlock it very easily. I like that. The handle itself, you know, I like the other long one, the straight up one. The aluminum, I'll probably change that. I'll see how it works, maybe even not. You know, if it works great, I'll just keep this one because it's stainless steel, so nothing can go wrong with that. I like the way it all came. It comes with all the little extra parts. You know, this I'll probably change it, and you know, the brass stuff I'll probably get the stainless steel ones, so they will last longer and they will not be getting caught up all the time when you're trying to replace tools. So a few professional changes that I would do. I noticed it didn't come with the logo on it, but it's no big deal for me. I'll probably end up painting that anyway, because the way it looks usually reflects the sun right at my face. I used to have one, a surface cleaner like that. It used to reflect the sun right at my face, so I'll probably end up painting this anyway. And the other amazing stuff that I like about it, the thing that makes the suction is just a spray tip. I can't really show you guys. Oh, there it is. It's just a very tiny spray tip. It's probably not gonna reduce the pressure a lot. I was afraid about that. So I can see now it's just a stream of water that's gonna be coming out of here. It's not that big of a change on the pressure and the volume of the water. So that's gonna be great. I'm trying it on my own driveway. It's not really bad because I've done it like 3 years ago, but you can still see the difference on it. Now I try it with my 4 gallons per minute machine, but it's just taking too long, and it's just leaving too much of a line. You can see the lines there, and if I go really fast, this is what happens. It leaves a lot of stuff behind. Now I have it set up on the 8 gallons per minute at 3500 psi. Let's check how it goes. Now I have the hoses here instead of on the grass, because I just put down a little bit of pre-treatment on it to see if we'll make it go faster. Now when dealing with the hoses, when it fills up with water, this thing gets kind of heavy, so it's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but it's doable. You just gotta get the hang of it. But this thing works really nice, man. I like it, but on the professional level, I might need to do a few changes on it. The tips are very, very little, very tiny, so I want to see if I can replace that bar. But you can see, you know, it gets the water out pretty quick. So if you go really quick, it's gonna leave lines. So either way, you're gonna have to do your pre-spray. And one other thing, once you let go of the trigger, it stops sucking, so the water will come out. Suction will stop. So all the water stays there. So I might add another handle on the other side and just close this side up and put the other handle straight up on here. So I spray it whenever I'm using it to suck it up, and if I stop using it, I'll continue spraying the other one just to suck the water out. So those are a few changes that I will do.